I wasn't impressed.
Nah. Okay, make up if you want to pull over or not. Oh, they just hit them.
Try not to.
Whoa, shit, oh lordy. Okay, wow. What the fuck? And then they're almost hitting each other. Just move, people. Don't get out and holler. Just freaking move. Just stop yelling at them. Just move, for Christ's sake.
They were trying to get out of the way.
So were both of them trying to move.
Next Monday for Labor Day.
Oh, I hope they'll do.
I know Suzanne's going to be working. So,
Oh, man, I'm so tired, man. But hopefully I can sleep tonight.
yeah, I'll talk later. Okay.
What?
Drive like that all the time?
What'd I do to you?
You did a lot of things to me, you ignorant fucker. You come on out. I'm fine with it. You know what you did to me.
No, I don't, dude. I gotta go to work, man.
Well, go to work.
All right.
Prick.
You want my dash cam video of what I horribly did wrong?
Pardon?
You know I have a dash cam, right? What did I do wrong? Where did I wrong
Well,
you
I'll
at?
tell you what you did wrong. You
Yeah.
drawed me up on the front road. You slowed down crazy. You slowed down. That's what you did wrong.
I was going 25.
Fuck you.
All right, man. Be reasonable.
Extensively of her ability to corrupt Spren, though only lesser Spren, whatever that means. From Hesse's Mythica, page 89. Kaladin remembered holding a dying
And I say it like that, and I would shake my head like that. And they played that clip for almost every episode. And it's coming up next, I want to sit it one time. But people think it's all I talk about. Now
It's so funny. I think of when I introduced you to my wife, I said, "He's from it."
right. It's it because they played it over and over.
There's a fucking car there. Dude.
Don't even think about it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're fucked.